Hey guys, how y'all doing?
Money.
Bro, I'm trying to find a server filled with nut shredders.
Whoa.
Wait, my brother!
I'm trying to
My brother, how you doing? Wow, mine's bigger. Hey, let's have a race. Put on your back. Let's have a race.
Your mother said you were the biggest cupcake ever.
Put on your back.
Yeah,
Let's go.
basketball.
Hey, let's ride
Yes.
around. Let's go.
Shut up, little kid.
Girl, just see my Cadillac. Girl, I'm going flying. Get out now.
But what just happened? I'm gonna go over here and mine. As a child, I yearned for the mines. I know this place very well. Boom, I'm already here.
Who wants a giveaway? Who wants a giveaway?
Company coin.
Me.
Yummy. Yummy.
I want one.
Yummy. No. Give me company coins.
Yo, we're going mining with me. Where are you? Guys, who wants me? Where are you? Anything you want me to for you? Yo, guys.
This is what I need. Okay. Well, I didn't really get a. Probably not gonna get a lot. I hate kinda how like it's easier to do uranium. Plus, a limited time hat is way better than 100 company coins if you ask me. So why would they make the company coins harder? It's hard to get. Oh. I think there's a teleporter in here actually, so should I just go?
What do you do?
No, let's see, I don't see it there. Okay, I didn't get a lot of silver, but I'm gonna go sell it anyways.
Is this no PvP? If you let me do
Yes, it's no PvP.
Guys, I mean every bit of silver counts, even if it's just one. Okay. Yeah, I didn't get a lot. Oh yeah. Oh, what's up? Hey, that thing's getting up really high. So what's gonna happen? Hey, Black. Yeah. Hey. Guess what?
Keep on dumping.
What? You're in a YouTube video.
Could somebody start a giveaway?
Yippee. Why is it almost full?
Giveaway, guys. If you get this
What was
blue egg,
What do you
I'll
call
be
that
your
dance?
personal assistant.
Wait, I
and I'll
wanna try to do that
whatever
dance.
you want
Wait,
to
let me
do.
put up my landmine.
A chance to get what? Who here wants a
What
chance
about
to get
the
what?
chicken egg
I'll be your
Let me try to do
personal
that.
assistant, and you can get in your backpack.
Hey, you want to go get chicken egg with me?
My friend's on.
Could you give me something?
Bro,
Why do I
what's a
have
chance
so
to get a landmine? Can someone
Yeah.
give me RPG ammo? I need some.
I will.
What am I doing?
Frog.
Because you're asking
You
for
want to go
something
get chicken egg with me?
Landmine.
I'm gonna go to.
Do you want to go
Don't know
get chicken
why.
egg with me?
Could you get
But I am.
Can someone give me some
Earlier
RPG
today,
ammo?
I was playing with some people and they got the Viking
Everybody
shield.
who wants me to give everybody.
So I've been trying to
Yo,
get
I
it.
can teach you guys how to make a lag
They got
I
it
can
from like
teach
a
you guys how to make
Box
a lag
Armstrong
Everybody,
drop.
if you want to bear bro, to know how to make a lag
Chicken.
Chicken. Who wants like for free.
Okay, let's.
Just get a
I'm just gonna go
crossbow.
over here.
Everybody, if you guys
No, bad boy. I can't see anything.
for free.
I
Actually,
hate it when that happens.
this guy,
First I'm
you
gonna
can
die.
actually
Just
go get
go away.
a quiver.
You're ugly and you're poopy and you're made of metal, and that's why no one likes you.
Fill the quiver with arrows, then put it on a crossbow, and do that like 20 times again. Put it in a large backpack, and that's how you make a light
When
backpack.
does this thing die? I hate what they did to the weapons. They made it so it's like impossible to kill monsters. Like, bro, I used to be able to 10-shot this thing, and now it's taking forever.
In the code 2, modded lobby code 267702. Modded lobby.
Is it like, is there a way to kill it
What's
faster?
modded lobby?
I should have brought dynamite with me.
Two six seven seven.
Finally.
Two six
That
seven.
took forever. Give me something. But an arrow. What am I gonna do with an arrow?
267 895 8422
Ow.
707.
My booty cheeks have been burnt. No, no, no. Where are you going? What is wrong with... Those things remind me of something, but I just can't figure out what they remind me of. Don't get angry, Mr.
Does anybody know a server that's doing a giveaway? Anybody know a server that's doing a giveaway? 025 892
Bro, who has a lag bag? Oh, it's lagging so much.
Who wants to play last believer or lag back?
But no one cares about your lag bag. And finally,
Believe the winner gets a lag back. Go to
No.
couch if you want to play last to leave the winner gets a lag back.
no one even wants a bag bag.
Why are lag
It's just gonna
bags
make you
even
like
good? All
be the
you
most
need
annoying
is
person in the lobby.
I'm not sure if there's
Okay,
like just an
Toasty's wife is in here.
Oh, what's up?
I want
I
to.
have to look down. I just don't want to see her. I'm just, what? Toasty's wife.
You know it's right about here.
Whoa, Mimic! I thought that was a real person. I hate mimics. I wish mimics could like mimic your voice and stuff, and they could like turn into you when they killed you. That would be a really good. Ow! Zero gravity zone. Wait, I don't know if I should get them or not because I've already done it. You know what? Well, no, I'm just not gonna get any because I've
Who are
already
you
done
talking to? Bro, who are you talking to?
it. Ow. No. That little blue thing got in the way. I'm flying around. Ow! Is it just me or am I just bad at this? I was not born to be in zero gravity zone. Nope, I don't want to. Wait. I usually go down there, but it looks like I'm going on the top now.
Yo, does anyone want to go to sewers with Mickey? I'm down in sewers if you're down.
Go over here.
Mickey
No.
Mouse?
Okay.
Yeah, Mickey Mouse
This
in
is
the
probably my
sewers.
least favorite
You guys
part.
wanna come?
Like literally. I have memories of the first time I did this.
I'm someone's a personal
It's
assistant
just-
right now, so like,
So,
I kind of can't.
Troll.
I'm
Or whatever you want to call him.
giving this guy,
Troll or
like,
ogre.
bag
I
of
call him troll
uranium, but
and
like,
ogre.
yeah, I'll be there.
Just depends. Okay. Just gonna Yeah, let's keep this here. Hey, Mr. Ogre, would you please move? I kind of need to get out of here.
Does anyone want to come to sewers with Mickey? I'm lonely.
Go faster, faster, faster. I hate this. Finally. Okay, I'm back.
There's this one Mickey meme that goes,
And to end this video, I'll stick my stuff
Ain't no
here.
burger, no honey mustard.
Is that you right now, bro?
Bro,
Bye-bye.
Sukas, bro. I can't even afford nothing. Only got
Like what?
$2. Only got $2.55.